Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's find the value of the following expression. So now all these terms we can write into the pair, right? So here we can see similarity like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, correct? So how can we simplify these terms? So a plus b is 11 plus 12, a minus b 11 minus 12. Okay, for this pair here 13 plus 14 into 13 minus 14. For 15 square minus 16 square, it will be 15 plus 16 into 15 minus 16. Okay, plus so on. Let's find for this also. Okay, so plus 99 plus 100 into 99 minus 100, and the last term will keep as it is. So it is 101 square, right? So what will be the answer? 23 into minus 1 plus 27 into minus 1 plus 31 into minus 1, right? Plus so on 199 into minus 1 plus 101 square. So how can we write this? Minus 23 minus 27 minus 31 plus so on minus 199 plus 101 square. So if you observe closely, this is arithmetic progression. Okay. So here let's see what is the first number. So A1 will be minus 23. Correct? Now we have to find the difference. Difference between two terms. It will be minus 27 minus 23. Correct? So D will be 4 minus 4. Correct? Then what is the last term? An is equal to minus 199. So here to find the sum of all this arithmetic expression, we need to find the value of n, which is the number of terms, right? So let's see how to find the value of how many number of terms are there. So to find the value of n, we'll use this formula. An is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So let's put the values. Minus 199 equal to minus 23 plus n minus 1 into minus 4. So it will be 1 minus 199 equal to minus 23 minus 4n plus 4. So minus 199 equal to minus 19 minus 4n. Okay, so let's move 4n here. So it will be positive. 4n equal to minus 19 plus 199. 4n equal to 180. So the value of n is 45. Now let's find the sum of the progression. So now this is our arithmetic progression. Now first we have to find the sum of this arithmetic progression. To find the sum of arithmetic progression, we will use formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 into a1 plus an. It will be n is 45 divided by 2, a1 is minus 23, an is minus 199 equal to 45 upon 2 into minus triple 2, right? So this will simplify. Okay. Now we have to multiply this. The answer will be Sn equal to be minus, let's write 4, 5 and 9, 9. So if you want to understand how did I multiply in a single line, there is a video on my channel. Please go and look for it. Okay. So this is your sum. Now we have the answer till this point, right? What we have to do? Just find the square of 101, right? So the answer will be, first find Let's find the square of 101. Okay, it will be 100 plus 1 square. Okay, so here we can use the formula for a plus b square, right? So it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is the square of 100? It's 10,000, correct? Plus 2ab, that means 200 plus b square, that is 1. So this is 10,201. Okay. Now we have the answer till this point, that is the sum of arithmetic progression, and now we have the square of 101. So final answer will be minus 4995 plus 10201. Now this is simple calculation. Let's see. The final answer is 5206. So the value of expression is 5206. For such amazing questions, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.